The winter season is the coldest season of the year. Winter season starts from October and ends in February. In winter season, days are short and nights are long. In this season, cold wind blows, so we wear warm clothes. It's a time when we often see frost and sometimes even snow. We enjoy the cozy moments by the fireplace to stay warm. Many birds and animals choose migration in the winter season due to extreme cold conditions. Winter season is an ideal season for tours and travels to hilly regions. People enjoy many activities in hilly areas like ice skating, ice hockey, etc. Despite the cold, winter has its own beauty with frost covered landscapes and a quiet charm.